Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Let's see how to crochet this teeny tiny mini heart. For this we will need a very thin yarn, or if you don't have a thin yarn, take a wool and just unroll it, because we have to separate threads. Okay, see here 3 threads are rolled up, so we will separate all 3 threads and use any one of it. Okay, for this I am using needle of 2 mm. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay, now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, so we get a very small tiny bit circle in between. It is very small, but our needle can easily pass through it. Okay, I'll just show you. See, I'll just show you. See, there it is. Can you see the small tiny bit circle? Okay, now whatever stitches we are making, those stitches we will be making by passing our needle from inside of that tiny circle. Okay, first we will make 2 chain crochet stitches. Okay, after that we will make 7 double crochet stitches. Now for 7 double crochet stitches, I am passing my needle from inside of that circle, grabbing the yarn and pulling through out of that circle. Okay, and then I'll complete my double crochet stitch. If you people want to refer tutorial video for how to make a double crochet stitch, link is already given in description, so you can just refer. That tutorial video is also with written notes and a very slow demo, very easy to understand and very simply explained. Okay, I'll just complete this 7 double crochet stitches and I'll just show you. See, I've completed my 7 double crochet stitches. After this, I'll make 3 triple crochet stitches. Tutorial video for triple crochet stitch or treble crochet stitch is also there on my channel. So link you will get in description. If you want to refer, please do refer. Okay, so now we will be making 3 triple crochet stitches. Now here we are done with our 3 triple crochet stitches. After that we will make 7 double crochet stitches. Just remember, we are making all stitches each time passing a needle from inside of that circle. Okay, now we will make 7 double crochet stitches. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. See, I've completed with the 7 double crochet stitches. After that, just the last stitch. Okay, now we will make 2 chain crochet stitches. It is same as we started. 2 chain crochet stitches, then 7 double crochet stitches, 3 triple crochet stitches, again 7 double crochet stitches and 2 chain crochet stitches, and now a slip knot from inside of that circle. Okay, just take it tight so we get that V proper and a heart shape is like properly seen. See, this is so teeny tiny mini heart. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.